Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you InShot AI features you need to try for better editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to click on video, and then I'm going to select new, and for example, I'm just going to edit this video. Okay, we can click on the check mark to import the video. Okay, and this is for the original video. And then I'm going to show you some AI features on InShot. So the first one, guys, it's called AI smooth slow motion feature. You can go to the speed. Okay, and you're going to reduce the speed like this, and after you reduce the speed of your video, you will get this menu. This is called AI smooth slow motion. You can make the slow motion smoother using this feature. We can click on this menu, and then we're going to click on the check mark, and then the process will be started. Okay, it will help you to create smoother slow motion. Okay, and wait, let me reduce the speed again. I'm just going to make it like this. Okay, and just wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost done. Guys, it's almost 100%. Okay, now the smooth slow motion has been applied. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and the second one, guys, I'm going to show you a feature called AI cut. You can click on this menu, and this feature will help you to detect and remove pauses and filler words in your video. But unfortunately, you need to subscribe to InShot to get this feature, but you have a free try. You can click on start to start the AI cut, but you only have 1 credit, and after that you need to subscribe to InShot to get this feature. Okay, and the last one is called the AI speech. So it's like text to speech feature. You can write text and then you can use the AI speech. Oops, sorry. Where's my text? Okay, and then we can use the speech like this.
This is my voice tone.
And the speech will be generated according to your text. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.